In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set switch control loops in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot switch control. When I see it, I tap on switch control, and that takes me into the settings page for it. Alright, now that I'm here on the switch control screen, I start scrolling down through the available options. I keep moving down until I find loops, and once I see it, I tap on loops to open that setting. At this point, I can set the number of loops to whatever I prefer. I adjust the value right here on the screen until it matches what I want, and the change applies immediately. There's nothing else I need to confirm or save once I've made the adjustment. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure everything looks correct before moving on. I can stay on this screen or back out whenever I'm ready, since everything updates automatically. Now I'm backing out step by step, heading back through the menus, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap switch control, scroll down to loops and adjust it again. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to set switch control loops on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and tweak whenever you